Back pain is one of the most common problems today. If you sit for long hours, your back is under constant stress. The worst part? Most people ignore it until it becomes serious. But don't worry, here are simple fixes you can do at home. When you sit too long, your spine stays compressed. Your muscles become tight, weak, and imbalanced. This creates pressure on your lower back, causing pain and stiffness. Bad posture and weak muscles make it worse. Good news! You don't need expensive treatment. Simple daily movements can fix this. And this lower body move.
Exercise 1. Stand straight. Place your hands on your lower back.
Slowly lean backward. Hold for 5 seconds, then come back. This reduces pressure and improves flexibility.
Lie on your back. Bring one knee to your chest.
Hold for 10 seconds and switch legs. Repeat 5 times each side. This helps relax your lower back and reduces tightness. Exercise 3. Arch your back like a cat, then drop your back down slowly. Repeat this 10 times. This improves spine movement and reduces stiffness. Don't sit too long. Take breaks every 30 to 60 minutes. Keep your posture straight and try to walk daily. Small daily habits can prevent serious back problems. Stay consistent with these exercises and you'll feel the difference. Your body needs movement, not just rest. Follow Heal Quick for more simple health tips.